Hey guys, Introverted Tech here. I got my hands on a couple of the leather cases for the iPhone 12 Pro. Picked it up from the Apple Store today, so I'm excited to show you guys these new colors and compare them. And I wanted to split them up in different videos just so they wouldn't be too long, and you can pick the favorite color that you want to look at first. Fresh out the box, as expected, this Baltic blue looks very similar to the wallet blue. And I love the leather just because of the quality of the buttons on the side. How it feels in your hand is just so much better than the silicone, and it doesn't collect dust. So let's try this on the phone and see how it looks. And you see the animation, it changes colors with every leather case that you put on to match. So that's pretty cool. And I'm just a leather lover, and I'll pay the extra price for the leather. Showing you how the leather link is a little bit darker than the actual Baltic blue of the wallet and the case. Showing you how the Baltic blue case looks with the two wallets that I have. Hands-on with this Baltic blue outside. It really looks nice and natural light, and I love it. And when I throw these wallets on there, it looks even better. Showing you the Baltic blue case and Baltic blue leather link combination with the saddle brown wallet. That was a mouthful. If you want to keep it simple and have everything matched, then this combination is probably for you. But I kind of like to mix up my accessory colors a little bit just to kind of spice it up. Me personally, I kind of like this combo for the Baltic blue the best, with the saddle brown wallet and leather link, to just kind of switch things up a bit. That wraps it up. Let me know in the comments how you feel about this case and all the color combinations with the wallet. Let me know if you're getting any leather cases. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.